Number 2 is over compare and order decimals. It says you can use place value to compare and order decimals. You can compare numbers to see if one number is less than, equal to, or greater than another. When comparing numbers, use the symbols for greater than, which looks like that, less than would look like that, and equal would look like that. When you order numbers, put them in order from least to greatest or greatest to least. That's where you got to make sure you're reading the directions. Alright, our problem is Martinsville recorded the following amounts of monthly precipitation. In May, they had 1.875 inches. June, they had 0.852 inches. July, they had 1.425 inches. And then in August, they had 0.837 inches. Which month had the greatest amount of precipitation and which month had the least amount of precipitation? So anytime you're working with decimals and you've got to go from greatest to least or least to greatest, the best thing to do is line them up and line up the decimals. So we've got May, June, July, August all lined up. So we're looking at the greatest month, and when we're doing that, we're going to compare the first digits in the ones place. So there's a large number and there's a large number. The zeros are going to be your smaller ones. So when we do that, we've got to go to the tenths place. Well, 8 is larger than 4, so May's precipitation is larger than July's. Then to find our smaller amounts, we're going to look at the zeros. So 0 is smaller and 0 is smaller. So we're going to go to the next one, the tenths place. 8 and 8, they're the same, so we need to go to the hundredths place. 5 is larger than 3. So August is going to end up having the smallest precipitation. So if when we order them from greatest to least, and that's how it's asking us to order them from, arrange them in order from greatest in value to least in value. So 1.875 was first, that's the largest. Then 1.425 would be second. 0.852 would be third. And 0.837 would be fourth. So when it asks which month had the greatest amount of precipitation, May would be the largest, and the smallest amount of precipitation would be August.